In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom out iPhone screen when locked. So let's say your iPhone screen is locked and you are zoomed in just like this. Now to zoom out is yet another problem. You need to access your iPhone, and if you try to tap the password, you'll not be able to see this because the zoomed in has covered the entire page. The worst scenario is if you use 15x, you will not be able to zoom out of the screen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily zoom out of your iPhone screen when the screen is locked, just like this. So my iPhone screen is locked. Now to zoom out of this screen, all you need to do is triple tap the iPhone screen with your 3 fingers. Then you should see this feature comes up, and the feature that is zoom out, choose region, choose filter, and show controllers. Then the next one to do to exit zoom in on your iPhone lock screen is just click on the zoom out. It's just click on the zoom out. Once you hit the zoom out, the iPhone screen will return back to normal while it is still locked. Now you can then go ahead to unlock your iPhone either using your iPhone Face ID or your iPhone passcode. Once you've successfully unlocked your iPhone and zoomed out of the zoomed in iPhone lock screen, you can then decide whether to turn off the iPhone zoom or not. So if you find this really interesting, you want to hit like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.